Are you wondering what's been happening in the Sarnia Lambton real estate market lately? Well, we're already 1 month into 2025 and what 2025 might have in store. Let's explore what you need to know in this market. And at Blue Coast Realty, we are your dedicated local experts. We specialize in helping buyers and sellers confidently navigate the Sarnia Lambton real estate market. And we understand that the world of real estate can be complex, it can be challenging. So we're here to make it easy to understand and help you make informed decisions. We'll discuss key trends of 2024, and we're also going to look ahead into 2025 to see what it has in store. So first, look at pricing trends. Let's start with pricing in January 2025. The average sale price in Sarnia Lambton area was $413,000, so slightly down from last year. There was 110 sales, 1,367 active listings, and 322 new listings that hit the market, constantly shifting. So it's important to stay on top of these current trends. And interest rates and how it impacts. Interest rates play a crucial role in the real estate market. In 2024, we know the Bank of Canada adjusted interest rates several times. High interest rates make borrowing more expensive for buyers, which can mean higher monthly mortgage payments and less purchasing power. And then lowering the rates encourage more people to enter the market. As we know, the Bank of Canada lowered its policy rate to 3% this year, January 2025, which should make borrowing a bit easier and increase buyer activity. We've already seen a little bit of that. And the Bank of Canada had previously lowered its policy rate by 0.5%, earlier bringing it to 3.25 at the end of 2024. This cycle of rate cuts is expected to continue really in a gradual manner because interest rates have a significant effect on buyers, and sellers also need to be aware of these changes. Now let's look at the year-over-year comparison. To understand the current market, it helps to look at the past. We could see that the Canadian market in general experienced, well, it was a sluggish 2023, as we know, and a slow rebound in 2024. And for the first 11 months of 2024, cumulative home sales were up actually almost 7% compared with 2023. Home sales in Canada jumped 26% in November 2024, year over year, and we found this trend to continue in the 2025. So what's the 2025 market forecast? Looking ahead to 2025, experts predict a robust year for real estate activity. Lower interest rates are expected to bring many first-time homebuyers into the market. This increase in demand could also lead more competition and will potentially higher prices. Experts at many brokerages and banks expect home prices to increase in 33 of 37 Canadian regions, and for a more national average, residential prices to rise by 5%. Some economists predict that home sales will increase by 16% across Canada in 2025, and the average home price will increase by 8%. The Canadian Real Estate Association also forecasts that the national average home price will climb by 4.7%. That's $722,000 in 2025 across Canada, and then the rise to $746,000 in 2026. While this data represents national averages, you can use it to give yourself a sense of where the market is heading. However, there are some uncertainties. A potential trade war with the US could negatively impact the Canadian economy, potentially reducing buyers' confidence. Also, it's important to note that initial demand, the boom in 2025, is not expected to last forever and may exhaust in the first half of the year. So 2024 key trends. Started slowly as people waited for the Bank of Canada to make a move on interest rates. We know that. The Bank of Canada began cutting rates in June, which brought many buyers back to the market. Many people who had been waiting on the sidelines to enter the market, creating what is known as pent-up demand. There was also changes to mortgage rules that could help boost sales as well that was laid out back in December. And here's a couple of those things. The maximum mortgage amortization period for first-time homebuyers was extended to 30 years. And they raised the cap on insured mortgages from 1 million up to 1.5 million. The national banking regulators also removed a stress test for uninsured mortgages, which could improve affordability for some buyers and for people looking to switch lenders. The other key factor that we don't know enough about yet is the recent tariffs between the US and Canada, how this will affect the housing market. And as we know more, we're going to share those key points with you. So whether you're looking about buying or selling a home right now, is the time to make your move. We don't know yet for sure in 2025, but it's looking that way. And for some more personalized guidance, or if you ever want to talk more about the market, we would love to talk to you. Thanks for watching and welcome home to the Blue Coast.